Now, you may have seen my other Costco video showing the home improvement items. Well, here's the DeWalt Workstation. The other day it was priced at $199.99. They now have saving $40. Now priced at $159, and saying it's good until December 4th. So you better run to your Costco and get it while you can, because they're not going to replenish this supply. Now remember, the shelf will hold 1,500 pounds. It has a drawer, which is, it's a nice deep drawer, probably like 5 or 6 inches deep. It has like the plastic worktop and the metal pegboard in the back here. It's a good deal. Here are some clips of the video from the other day, and I'll put a link to that video in the description. It has a pegboard system in the back here. That's like an aluminum or some kind of metal. The worktop here is like a PVC, and it's probably about maybe 3/8 inch thick or so. It's 44 inches wide by 18 metal pegboard. Let's see, what's the other stats here? It's 49 inches wide, 55 inches tall, and 25 inches deep, and it weighs 103 pounds. Now, if you're interested in this deal, you better head to Costco soon before they run out of supplies. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deals, DIY tips, tricks, and reviews. Thanks for watching.